2 underworld criminal gangsters were killed in a shootout with the police special task force on Friday, 18, morning, in Polwatte Minuwangoda. The police special task force said that the 2 men were close associates of wanted criminal and drug trafficker, Uragaha Indika. The STF had launched an investigation to trace and arrest the motorcycle gunman responsible for shooting dead a man on 24 August 2022 in Urgaha and also shooting dead a 4-year-old boy and his father on 19 October 2022 in Yakkalamulla. According to the STF, a shootout took place when the STF personnel were attempting to arrest the shooter and the motorcyclist. The suspects were seriously injured in the shootout, and the police special task force said they were dead upon admission to the hospital. One STF officer was admitted to the Minuwangoda Hospital for treatment as he suffered minor injuries. The police special task force said that the deceased suspects were residents of Polwatte. A T-56 assault rifle, a 12-bore shotgun, and a Rambo knife were discovered in the possession of the slain criminals. The Minuwangoda police is conducting further investigations.